Hi friends, welcome to South Indian cuisine. Today I am going to show you a recipe that is biryani gravy or salan, biryani ka salan. So for that the main ingredients, that is, this is coconut, sesame seeds, peanuts and some coriander seeds, cumin seeds and very little tamarind, and this is finely chopped onion, and next some green chilies, curry leaves, and this is coriander leaves, and some capsicum pieces, and these are shillongs, that is baby onions, and this is ginger garlic paste, and these are tempering seeds, that is mustard seeds and cumin seeds, red chili powder, salt according to taste, and turmeric powder, and next oil around 1.5 tablespoons. With these ingredients, now I am going to make a side dish for biryanis, that is gravy for biryani or biryani ka salan or mirch ka salan, yeah, onion salan. In the process, first put a pan on the stove, let the pan heated. Into that, first add these peanuts, dry roast them, after 1 minute of adding peanuts, now into this add these coriander seeds and next cumin seeds. After mixing these, now into this add these coconut pieces also and fry them on a low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 minutes of adding these coconut pieces, and now into this add these sesame seeds, fry these also. The entire frying should be on the low flame only. After adding sesame seeds, after 2 minutes, now into this add this tamarind and next finely chopped onions, fry them. If it is required means you can add little oil also, but I am not adding. Fry these for around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. And now into this add some curry leaves and coriander leaves to it. Fry these also. After 3 minutes, now switch off the stove and now allow this mixture to cool. After cooling, with this mixture add little water and make a fine paste. While making the paste, now put a pan on the stove, add around 1.5 tablespoon of oil to it. Into that add these onions and capsicum pieces and just fry them. Just shallow fry this. On a low flame for around 2 minutes is enough. After frying these for 2 minutes, now take these into a plate. After taking these to a plate, keep these aside. Into that same oil, add these tempering seeds, that is mustard seeds and cumin seeds to it. When the mustard splatters, now into this add these green chili pieces and curry leaves and coriander leaves to it. And next add this ginger garlic paste. And now into this add the paste. Mix it. After mixing, now into this add turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt according to taste. Now again mix this. After mixing, now into this add water. Again mix this. After adding water, now cover this and let it cook like this for around 30 to 40 minutes to get nice consistency of gravy on low flame. Now cover this. After 20 minutes of slow cooking, open the lid and just gently mix this. After mixing this, into this add jaggery and next fried onions and capsicum pieces. Again mix all these. After mixing, again cover this and let it cook like this for around 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. See, the oil floats means our gravy is also ready now. Finally add very little coriander leaves and switch off the stove. Now our tasty biryani gravy is ready. Now our tasty biryani gravy or salan, onion salan is ready now. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.